Hi everyone, welcome back to Koto's kitchen. Today I'm making deeply nourishing tallow balm, perfect for your hands, face, lips, or any dry irritated skin. Tallow is one of the most traditional time-tested skincare ingredients out there, and it's making a beautiful return for a reason. For this small batch, I'm using 4 tablespoons of grass-fed tallow, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, and a teaspoon of beeswax pellet to firm it up. You can also use sweet almond, olive, or argan oil if you prefer. If you like, you can add your favorite skin-safe essential oils too. A few drops of lavender, frankincense, or sandalwood works beautifully here. In our last video, I showed you how to render tallow from beef fat using a traditional wet rendering method. Since I plan to use this batch for skincare, I went ahead and purified the rendered tallow 3 more times. The process is the same, just melt, add water, let it separate and cool, but what's interesting is that with purification, you won't see the jelly-like second layer anymore. Now that the cake is solid, I'm slicing it into quarters and scraping the surface gently to remove anything discolored or uneven. When it comes from grass-fed animals, tallow is incredibly rich in vitamin A, D, E, and K, essential for skin renewal and barrier to repair. It's also full of skin-loving fatty acid like oleic acid, which softens and deeply moisturizes, and stearic acid, which strengthens the skin barrier and keeps moisture in. Once it's cleaned up, your tallow is ready to use. Gently melt the tallow in a heat-safe bowl or beaker in my case over a double boiler. Keep the heat low, just enough to melt the ingredients, not fry them. The gentler the process, the better your balm will feel and smell.
A few moments later.
Once it's fully melted, remove it from heat and add your ricotta oil. If you're adding beeswax, go ahead and add it here, then return the bowl to the warm water just until it fully melts. For small tip, tallow even contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it especially helpful for sensitive or troubled skin.
A few moments later.
Once the mixture has fully melted, let it cool slightly, about 2 to 3 minutes. You can add your favorite skin-safe essential oils if you'd like. This step is totally optional. If you're planning to use your balm on your lips, make sure the oil you choose are safe for lip use. And if you have very sensitive skin, it's perfectly okay to skip essential oils altogether. For this batch, I choose frankincense and sandalwood. and they have a warm, grounding scent that feels subtle and earthy. It's a little more the masculine side, which makes it a favorite for my husband, but honestly, I love it too. Now pour it into a clean jar or tin. Let it cool and set at room temperature, or place it in a fridge if you want to firm it up quickly. Tallow Balm sinks in beautifully, no greasy residue, just soft, resilient skin. If you want a firmer balm, add more beeswax next time. For a softer version, increase the liquid oil, or whipped version, you can whip it up with hand blender at this point. And that's it. Label it, bless it, and use it anywhere your skin needs extra love.
Hi! Thanks for having me, Kotomi. This balm smells amazing.
Thank you. It's all natural, just tallow, a little essential oil, and love.
Ooh, it's so soft. My skin is already feeling so much better.
Right? It's my favorite thing before bed, or anytime really.
Nice.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And let us know if you make your own. Thanks for watching.
Bye.